Dear educators, are you really concerned about how you can make organic chemistry much more easier for students? Because as far as I remember, back when I was studying organic chemistry, it was just about understanding the equations and mugging it up. Now, how could you make it better? Just go on your chemistry on the O labs, right? Here, just click on your organic chemistry experiments. One of them is basically your esterification reaction between alcohol and carboxylic acid. Let me remind you the definition of esterification. It is a process through which you add a alcohol with an organic acid or also carboxylic acid, right? So if you click on animation, one of the advantage is you get the videos, and the videos played on this are ad free basically. So just click here. Through this menu, you can increase the volume also.
3 ml. Few drops of concentrated H2SO4, distillanoic acid, ethanol, and ester. Note: we observe a fruity smell of ester. Ethanoic acid has vinegar-like smell. Ethanol has a sweet and pungent smell.
Right? So now this combination experiment
And smell. Note: feel the difference in the odors of ethanoic acid, ethanol, and ester.
Now, when we understood ester is basically fruity smell, whereas alcohol has a little bit of pungent smell and carboxylic acid has a little bit of vinegar smell. Hope that helps you to understand organic chemistry better. Thank you so much.